Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle Collins and I'm going to be showing you some hands-free face yoga. So this is perfect to do if you're driving a car, it's perfect to do if you've got makeup on, maybe your hands aren't clean but you still want to do some face yoga. Now please do take care, of course, if you are doing these whilst driving a car or operating machinery. And as always with my face yoga, we're working to our own level. So the first thing we're going to do is simply breathe. We're going to breathe in through the nose, so about a count of 4, and then we're going to breathe out through the nose, so about a count of 6. So it's a really deep inhalation, letting the abdomen rise, a deep exhalation, letting the abdomen lower. Now this breathing technique has so many benefits. There must be well over 50 studies on the benefits of this deep nasal breathing. And one of the things you'll notice almost straight away is how it calms the mind, the body and the face. So it's perfect to do when maybe you can't do regular yoga or you can't do facial massage or really touching the face. So just doing this breathing now, but try to do it throughout this class. Then we're going to use our tongue for the next technique. So we're going to take our tongue, and obviously with this, if you do a bit of mouth breathing, it's fine. We're going to take the tongue, we're going to trace it all the way up from the jaw to the nose and back down again. So we're going to do 30 that side and then we'll move on to 30 the other side. So let's do this together. Again, just work to your own level with this. So we've done 20 so far. Take a break here for a moment. It's a really strong exercise which really works your tongue muscles and actually tongue strength and tongue posture. It's incredibly important for so many things, for the jaw area, for the teeth health, for our talking, so many reasons, but also you should start to feel it working in the muscle here as well. We're going to do our 10 others now together. Well done, you've done your 30 now. Take a break again. Take a couple of deep breaths in and out through the nose if you're not already. Really let that exhalation give you a sense of letting go of stress, letting go of tension, and then just become aware whilst you take this pause and the difference between the side you worked on and the side you haven't worked on. So really start to become aware of those facial muscles and the power of this facial exercise. So we're going to do the same the other side. Now we're going to do 20, take a pause, and then we'll do 10. So your tongue might feel a little bit fatigued here, so just go easy. So we've done 20 of those now. We're taking a break. If you need to just give a little bit of release through massage for a moment, you can. That really helps with those nasolabial folds as well. But of course, if you're doing hands-free, keep your hands away and just simply rest for a moment, because obviously with that one, you need to make sure you've got clean hands. So let's do our other 10 now. done. So let's give the lower face a break for a moment. We will go back to the lower face. Now the next one is perfect if you don't want to touch your face for whatever reason, but definitely I wouldn't recommend this one whilst you're driving. It's going to be some eye movements. We're really simply just starting off, going one side, then the other side, with our eyes, really working with exercising those muscles right inside the eyes, but also that lovely ring muscle that goes all the way around the eyes as well. Orbicularis oculi muscle, such a strong muscle, but often it can get quite weak. We tend to express more with our forehead or with our mouth area. Really don't use these eye muscles as much as we should. People have been using these in yoga for thousands of years to really improve eyesight as well. And then you're just looking up and looking down. So you want to keep that going up and down. A really nice movement here, up and down. Now if you are using your hands, you can place a hand onto your forehead to check the forehead stays still, but please don't do that if you're wanting to keep your hands off your face today. Good, well done. And that's your class completed for today. If you'd like more information on face yoga, just head to faceyogaexpert.com. Have a great day. Bye bye.